Guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Din and I'm going to show you how to prepare your ingredients, mix the spices and then cook the dish. Very simple method I'm going to use, so please follow the instructions carefully. So let's cook. Hi everyone and welcome to my show, and today I'm going to cook breakfast for two friends that come from Germany and they're here on holiday. And basically what I'm going to do is cook a vegetable dish with some parathas which I've made earlier. So the vegetable dish I'm going to cook, which you'll find the paratha recipe and the vegetable recipe in the description page. These are the ingredients we need today: turmeric, some fresh coriander, some fresh green chili, some onion, tomato, a little bit of garlic and ginger what I've grated, some fenugreek seed, some cumin seed, onion seed and fennel seed. That's all the spices we'll need, and I've chopped up potato, and I'm using also today papaya as well, raw green papaya, salt and oil. So let's just show you what I'm going to do. It's very easy breakfast. It only takes start to finish about 20 minutes to make this dish, and then we've got the parathas what I've pre-made before and froze, so I've got those out as well, defrosted. So it's basically taking me less than half an hour to make a really nice enjoyable breakfast, which you can as well. Just follow my recipes and you see how easy it is to make this breakfast, and it's really nice and wholesome. So give it a go and watch what I do. I'm going to change this vegetables into a large saucepan, because I've decided I'm going to add a couple of eggs to it as well, just to give a bit more texture and flavour. So what I've done is just mixed up 3 eggs with a little bit of salt and a little bit of chili flakes, and that's it. So I've put it into the frying pan, the eggs, and let them kind of fry for a few minutes just to harden up, and then I've added the vegetables to it. So this will give it more depth as well. I've also making an Indian char. You find this recipe also on my channel, char masala. So try it, it's really nice tea. I have at least 1 cup of tea like this every day, so it's nice and spicy and really tasty, so give it a go. As you can see, I'm heating up the paratha on a tawa first. Not too hot, we don't want to burn them, we just want to heat them up really well, and then we're going to fry them. What this does, it makes it taste like it's just freshly made. So basically just heat the tawa and put the parathas on it, just turn it over a few times, let it get really nice and hot. Then in another frying pan like you see here, add a good cup of oil because we want to kind of immerse them in the oil and fry them quickly, so that gives a nice crispy outside and soft inside. And these parathas are really nice and they freeze so well. If you make 8 or 9 of them up at once, then you can freeze them. What I do is put them in a plastic bag, individual plastic bag, and just put them in the freezer. Then when I want one, I take it out at night before and just let it defrost in the fridge, and then do what I'm doing here. They're really nice parathas, you'll love these, so give them a go. You'll find this also on the description page, the recipe how to make the paratha. Are you having one?
Here you go, I'm frying up all my parathas. There's 4 parathas I need today because I've got just 2 friends coming, so one for me as well and one for Juliana. So it's so simple. It's taken me just about half an hour to make this delicious breakfast. You too can do this, it's not difficult. If you just follow my videos and my instructions, you can have a really nice breakfast and wholesome breakfast, and everyone will enjoy. So give it a go, and I hope you enjoy watching this video and see how it's done to make a nice breakfast within half an hour, you can say. So let me know in the comments what you think. Bye for now, and see you on my next video.